Hey guys, RTT back here from the video guys. Today we're going to cover the PS5 because the PS5 has something that the PS4 Pro did have that this does not have, and that is no optical port on the back of the PS5. So if you have a headset, for example, the Turtle Beach A40s, Astro A40s, you kind of can't do much. Now, if you want to go ahead and use it with just plugging right in the controller, it will work. With a firmware update, you can use these plugging right into the controller. But let's say, for example, you have a different soundbar, or you use an Elgato to stream your games online, and you need the difference, you need to hear the game audio, but also your fans and the people watching you to get the game audio too. So this is how you fix it. Starting off right away, we'll go ahead and take this out of frame, the PS5. How you're going to fix it is very simple. So if you just bought the Astro A40s like I did, where you didn't buy them with this mix amp, you will have to buy the mix amp. This mix amp is about $120 if you have them both combined, or it's already attached to this mix amp because you have an older version of the A40s, then this is already going to be in your ballpark. If not, you have to buy these. It's $140, $120 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Next thing you're going to need, guys, is going to be this bad boy right here. There's many different ways to get this, or many different brands of this exact one. They have the Astro version. Astro version is sold out like everywhere. So if you want to buy this, this is the one I have, a J-Tech Digital. This is not sponsored by them in any way. This is just the one that I found on Amazon, had good reviews. And so far, I did 3 playthroughs of games on my second channel, Hall Games YT. And using this exact one, it was perfect, no issue at all. So this is how you set it up. First off, you're going to take this bad boy right here, right? You're going to go ahead and plug this into your, you're going to plug this into your PS4. So just like you would normally, no difference here, okay? So on the back here, we have a little bit extra plugs. We have an optical port right here, USB, PS4, obviously PS5 too, stream, aux, and then we have that bad boy right there. So we're going to plug this into it so we can get power into this Astro mix amp, right? Right in the back of the PS5. That's step one. Once you have to do that, bam, you have power. Now, next thing you're going to do is connect your Astro A40s to your mix amp, which is the very bottom right here. Go ahead and connect that into that. And that is the easiest steps, obviously, starting off right away. Now, getting to this. Now, this one, I don't have the cord right now on me, but it connects to a power source. So it connects to a plug and outlet. It's a little power thing that connects into it. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to set this right here to 2 channel. You can see right there, 2CH. Set that all the way to the right to 2CH. So now you are good to go on that. Next thing we're going to do here is you're going to go ahead and now plug in your HDMI cable. Starting off right away from the HDMI in. So you can see right here it says HDMI out, HDMI in. Plug the HDMI in just like this into the back of your PS5. Once you go ahead and get that done, very simple. If I can plug it in correctly. Apparently HDMI cords are my downfall. So once you do this, right, you have that all set up, you're going to go ahead and take the optical cable that comes with this right here. This Astro right here. Let me go ahead and undo this. And all you're going to do, guys, is you're connecting your Astro to the adapter. Now, what this adapter does is it lets you, and you're going to see, is you HDMI out, you connect this to your monitor, to your Elgato, to your TV. Wherever you're getting the output from, you connect this HDMI cord to that source. So you will need 2 HDMI cords to do this, obviously. But it's kind of just like, it's the same concept as an Elgato in general when it comes to, recording your games. Same concept when it comes to splitting the HDMI cables. But you can actually do this. How I have this set up is I have this going from my PS5 to an HDMI cable to my Elgato, from another HDMI cable to my monitor. So all you're going to do is take the optical cable right here, plug it right into this optical out right here, and probably recommendation would be taking off the top of it. Just like that, go ahead and plug it in. You see that right there. And then you're going to take the other side, the other optical port here, guys, and you're going to go ahead and plug it in to the optical port on your Astro mix amp. So just like that, you're going to go ahead and plug that in, and there you go. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to, like I said before, because you have your headset connected, you will hear the game audio from your headset, and because of this splitter right here, it will split the HDMI audio to your TV and also to your Astro mix amp. So now you will have game audio for your stream to watch, for people, you know, if you want to play it on TV, whatever may be the case, you have a sound bar, and you also able to go ahead and have it in your headphones, split different ways. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like and comment down below. This also works for Xbox. You just need an Xbox version of the Astro 40 mix amp. Obviously, that's how you do it, guys. Now, I'm going to show you real fast for Xbox folks. So, if you do have an Xbox, and I have I think this is an A50's Astro A50s. Same concept applies. You would plug all this into your Xbox. Obviously, you don't need the mix amp right here. These are wireless headphones, by the way. You guys do not know. All you're going to go ahead and do is with this splitter right here, instead of plugging it into your Astros, because this is my PS5 headset, I'm going to go ahead and take that out. It's the same concept. You just literally plug it right into this one right here, which is your Xbox headset, your Astros A50s, which are Astros for Xbox One, 2, Xbox and Xbox Series X. You can use the same concept, like I said before, with these. But if you have the wireless headphones, this is exactly what you do. Plug right into there, splitter right here, right into your PS or your Xbox Series X by USB cable. Same concept applies. Obviously, this one has its own USB cable you plug it into. Guys, that's pretty much it. So that's how you get optical audio on your PS5, on your Xbox Series X. It doesn't matter which one you use it for. It works on both consoles. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.